How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. So if you're facing a problem with the WhatsApp call, then you need to open up your WhatsApp application. And once you open your WhatsApp, now you can go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then you can go for settings. And under your settings, you can simply go for help center or the help. And under your help, you can again tap on help center. And under help center, now you can tap on support, which is on the bottom right. And under your help center, here you will have voice and voice calls. Tap on that, and you need to simply choose on voice call or the video call, any option, and then tap on how to make a voice call. And if you tap on that, here you won't have an option to fix the problem. So what you can do is simply go for support, which is on the bottom right. And once you tap on support, it will take you to the contact us page. So under contact us, what you can do is simply tap on the message, and then you need to write, I'm having issues with my WhatsApp calls being unavailable. Please help me to fix this. And once you've written that, you need to simply tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen, and tap on next. And once you tap on next, here you need to tap on send my question to WhatsApp support, which is on the bottom of your screen. So if you're really facing the problem with call unavailable, then you need to tap on send my question to WhatsApp support. And once it's sent, you will receive a message from WhatsApp on how to fix that problem. So that's it. That's how you fix your WhatsApp call unavailable problem on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.